Alright, boys. My wife bought this Pyle automatic sweeper from Amazon. How much was this? $60?
$60.
$60. That's it. It's the model number. Smart robot vacuum cleaner. Alright, let's do it. Let's do an unboxing. See what we got here. See what we got here. Alright. Got a manual. Who cares about that? Charger. It doesn't dock by itself. That's why it's only 60 bucks. I don't need a docker. Alright, so you press that button. Turns it on, I guess. Alright, let's see. See if it works over here. See if it works. Alright? Alright. Hi, robot. There's dirt right there, robot. Get on it. Well, there he goes. Oh, there's dirt. The dirt is gone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's going under the couch. Let's see if it comes back out from under the couch. Can he make it? Can he make? Oh, he turned. Whoop! He turned. He turned again. It's working. Yeah, but I purposely put this dirt on the floor here so he can get it. Alright, there it is. Yeah, put that piece of cheese there, look. Oh, he kicked it out. Oh, he got it. Picked it up. So, guess it's working. Let's see. Oh, before it gets to the, oh, it hit the couch, but it didn't hit that stuff over there. There's dirt there. See the white piece? Took it up. I don't know, boys. Piece of dust here. Oh, there's something here. Let's see if he's gonna get that. Ah, he went around it. Let's put my foot there. Okay, so something there. Look, white stuff. See if it takes it. Got it. Well, it's working so far. My wife likes it. My wife like it?
Yeah.
She likes it so far. Okay. So I think we're going to buy one for upstairs. We're going to let it run for a little while. Some dust here. Whoop! Picked it up. Oh, it didn't pick the slinky up. Come on. I thought it put toys. I thought it put all the toys and everything away. I guess that. Wow, this thing is picking some stuff up, man. It's working good. All right, so far, something there. Picked it up. So far, it's working pretty good. So I guess I'm gonna hang on to it. It's supposed to go for what? 6 hours? It says 6 hours, and all the reviews I watched, it's supposed to, work. So this will be the first video. If it acts up, I will have another video. I'll make another video about the thing acting up and me running it over with the backhoe. Like and subscribe, boys.